Mr. Ryback, may I have your attention, please? This is Captain Krill speaking. I would like for you to look at the ship's monitors where you are at this point in time. Are you watching? I've prepared a special show for you. Here it goes. I want you to know there are no hard feelings. I have no grudge against you or the rest of the crew. You did your best.
Discipline is right out the window here.